And this is the morning garden. I'm just showing you. I'm still at it. This is the kale I put out maybe a few days ago, 10 days ago, something like that. Um, they seem to be doing okay. This one here is one the cats are digging in, and they keep digging up the spinach, but nothing I can do about that right now. This one here didn't do too well. Just some leaves fell in it, but only one or two plants. One there, one small one there, a couple over there, but didn't do too well. And over here, some spinach in this container, small amount. Wait a minute. There's spinach and kale in here. And over here, cats are digging in this one too. But it didn't do well. It's just okay though. I mean, I just did it as a, excuse me, as a test run. All right, got the trees over here. They look gangly. I'm gonna cut these back. Got some long branches out here. This is a cherry tree. Got it about 6.5 feet tall, but the trunk on is getting really big. Really big. There's another gangly tree. That's a peach tree. It's got a lot of vines in it mainly. I got to get that all cleared out. All right, this is the Morning Garden Show.